Sobrang ganda na ng bagong rooftop area ng Cella Pads Hotel Manila. For as low as 1,800 pesos to 2,000 pesos, may room ka na, good for 21 hours. Tapos may access ka pa sa dalawang pool, isang jacuzzi, at mga exciting amenities nila tulad ng glass walk, Bulma Bridge, ledge walk, hanging pads, at pati na rin ng hanging hammock lounge. Sobrang relaxing guys. So tara, travel tayo. This is Cella Pads Hotel Manila, located at David Street, corner FB Harrison, Pasay City. Pwede nyo itong i-book sa Klook and don't forget to use my code for up to 5% discount sa booking ninyo. Accessibility, sobrang convenient. One ride from LRT Hilpuyat, one ride lang to Mall of Asia, at one ride lang din to World Trade Center. So room check muna tayo guys. Una is the standard double room with window. Dito ako nagstay guys. So price ranges from 1,800 pesos to 2,000 pesos. May TV, working table, comfortable bed, at sariling CR with toiletries na yun guys. Sulit na sulit if you're looking for a comfy and budget-friendly stay. Next naman guys is a deluxe twin premium room with window. Yung price niya is around 2,200 pesos to 2,600 pesos. Yung room na to is mas spacious, may TV, working table, super comfy bed, sariling CR with toiletries, at may wifi na rin. Perfect talaga to guys para sa mga gusto magstay tas at the same time nagwo-work kasi meron silang wifi dito, or gusto lang ng relaxing stay with better views guys. Bonus pa, per floor may microwave at water dispenser na pwedeng gamitin for free. Sobrang convenient lalo na kung may baon ka or gusto mong mag-init ng pagkain. Pagdating naman sa mga ibang amenities guys, sobrang na-impress ako. Yung rooftop bar and restaurant nila, sobrang laki ng pinagbago. Mas pinalawak at pinaganda na yung rooftop. May mga activities ka na pwedeng itry for free tulad ng hanging pads, glass walk, bridges, at bagong favorite na hanging hammock lounge. Yung rooftop bar and restaurant nila, hindi lang masarap ang food and drinks, ang ganda pa ng city view dito lalo na sa gabi guys. Dati isang pool lang, ngayon dalawa na, plus may jacuzzi pa. Mas relaxing at mas maganda. Ang daming tambayan at upuan, chill ka lang habang pinagmamasdan ang city lights. Sobrang Instagrammable na talaga yung bawat sulok. Sobrang approachable din ng mga staff nila dito, kaya kung may kailangan ka, very willing silang tumulong at mag-assist. Meron din silang private KTV bar na pwede nyong i-rent guys. Nasa rooftop din ito. I-post nyo na lang dito kung gusto nyong makita ang full details ng KTV packages nila. And kung hindi ka mag-overnight, pwede ka rin mag-day trip dito. Hanggang 5 PM lang ang day pass sa pagkakatanda ko guys. Pero for just 300 pesos sa adult at 150 pesos naman para sa kids 6 to 12 years old, kasama na yung pool access, hanging pads access, hammock lounge, at may kasamang snacks sa skybar nila. Ito nga pala yung current price nila sa Klook. Depende yung presyo sa dates at sa room type na kukunin ninyo. Kaya i-check nyo na lang for exact pricing sa date ng trip ninyo. At kung may questions pa kayo, comment lang kayo below at sasagutin ko yan. Or pwede rin kayo mag-direct message sa Facebook page ng Cella Pads Hotel Manila. That's it guys. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next adventure. Bye!